Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Telegram subscribers step by step. Start by clarifying your audience and goal, then set a budget and timeline for safe growth. Research reputable providers with transparent delivery and retention policies, and avoid services promising instant millions. Consider targeting options, retention guarantees, and trial offers. Track engagement metrics after purchase and compare with organic growth to refine your strategy over time. When choosing a provider, focus on transparency and real retention statistics to protect your channel. Check delivery speed, sample reports, and clear refund policies before committing. Prefer services that offer segmentation or niche targeting to match your audience. Ask for references or trial packages to validate quality, and avoid overly cheap offers that signal bot activity. Keep documentation of transactions to contest any irregularities with customer support. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content for you. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a fun pick for busy creators, offering voice control and smart mapping so you can focus on growth while it cleans. It even dodges cables and returns to base, which feels oddly relevant to organizing a channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Optimize purchases by staggering buys over days or weeks so growth looks natural and reduces risk of penalties. Combine bot subscribers with fresh content, pinned messages, and targeted outreach to boost real engagement. Monitor analytics closely for retention rates, view counts, and interaction patterns to judge provider quality. If retention drops, pause purchases and focus on content improvements. Adjust targeting and pacing based on observed results and channel goals for sustainable growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.